Right, so just touched down now. Looks like it's a big contrast to Da Nang, so let's check it out and see what it's saying. Looks lively though. And it's only like about a 45-minute ride from Da Nang, so it's not far at all. And Grab, which is like the Uber here, only costs like £10, so it's a good price. And this is supposed to be a bit more touristy than Da Nang, to be fair. And it seems to be, isn't it? But I like things because it's more authentic in Da Nang. You get more locals there, which I like. But I like the contrast.
Take a little lantern cruise.
Yeah, look at the lanterns though. Nice little boat, can cruise on the lanterns, taking the views. Very nice. Yeah. And look at this. Carving up some lovely bits and pieces here. Master craftsman. Look at his work. Some nice pieces here. Look at this. All handmade. It's impressive. Yeah, it's very vibrant here actually. Got the Mr. Bean bar there. They love Mr. Bean here. I think about 3 spots so far, Mr. Bean. And Bob Marley, look at that. The Bob Marley bar. Got some copyright stuff there, I know that. Take a pic by the Hoi An sign. All right, so looks like we're gonna do a little lantern ride, so let's see what it's saying. It's 20 minutes. It's cost about £7, so it's not much. All right, so we're doing a lantern ride. Let's see what it's saying. We've got a life jacket as well, so I think maybe something you fall in. It's kind of shaky, but hopefully we don't. I'm not the best swimmer. And it's very warm actually. It's getting warmer, I feel like. And the water's very calm as well, so you should be fine. See, lanterns you see everywhere, basically dropped in the water to represent your loved ones that are passed, or in memory of them. Hello. Love a karaoke, butchering some tunes, I'm telling you. Octopus skewers, some frog, rolled coconut cake, that is different. Check out the shirt, damn. Gonna cross the bridge now, check out the other side. Yeah, check it out, that's a nice view, right? Around there actually. We've got something for everyone. Clothes, food, drink, whatever you're after. Get your tailor-made suit as well, look at that. Yeah, so if you want your suit tailor-made, you can come down here. And dresses as well, for ladies too. Dress suits as well, ladies suits, men's suits, the whole shebang. I'm sure the prices are very reasonable as well. It's nice on this little street actually. We moved away from the water, but yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Yeah, very nice. Nice little restaurants. A bit more chilled out down there. Got some art as well. Get your PJs, look at that, nice little 90. They've got a lot of tailor suits here. Yeah. Just at Chops in Hoi An. I've got some lovely little sliders there. So we've got a smash slider, looks good. And we've got their little barbecue sandwich thing they got as well. Looks good as well. Smashed beef, barbecue sauce, onions, and so and so. Yeah, looks very nice. I'm gonna crack in now, see what I'm saying. And a delicious mango smoothie. It's more like a milkshake, but it's good. It gets hectic at night. About 1 million bikes gonna squeeze through pedestrian road.
Oh, on favorite free man.
Later, man.
Why not, man?
Later, man.
Okay, man.
It's all popping off at Bob Marley. See the title. Little dance up there. Super pop going on and Mr. Bean.